Chapter 10 of Genesis, known as the Table of Nations, chronicles the descendants of Noah's three sons, Shem, Ham, and Japheth. These lineages formed the nations of the ancient world after the Great Flood. Japheth's descendants settled across the coastal regions, becoming seafarers and explorers. Gomer, Magog, Madai, Javan, and Tubal were among Japheth's sons. Their tribes established territories from the Mediterranean to the Black Sea. The Greeks and Scythians traced their roots to these ancient lineages. Ham's descendants included Cush, Mizraim, Put, and Canaan. Cush's son Nimrod became a mighty hunter and founded cities like Babel and Nineveh. Mizraim's lineage populated Egypt, while Canaan's tribes settled the Levant. Shem's lineage marked the ancestry of the Hebrews and Semitic peoples. Eber, his descendant, became the namesake of the Hebrew people. This branch would later produce Abraham, the father of many nations.